Hi, sugar gliders. Just when you thought we were almost done with rational numbers, they're back. One more thing we have to do. Okay, so we have looked at decimals and how to order them. That's going to be really important here. All right, so our directions here for this A says order the set of numbers from least to greatest, and these are the steps that tell you how to do that. So step number 1, change fractions into decimals. So let's find all our fractions and change them into decimals. So I have this negative 43 and 1/4, which is 43. Use your calculators if you need to. I can do this because it's a common fraction decimal equivalent. 1/4 is 0.25. Here's our other one, 43 and 4/5, and I could do this too. Use your calculator, but I know 4/5 is the same as 8/10, so I'm going to put 8/10 there. All right, now a way to kind of get all these numbers down in order, because they're kind of bunched together and they're hard to read sometimes. This is kind of tedious work, but take your time. You can do this. All right, first I'm going to look at the positive numbers and write them down. So my positive numbers are 43.18 and 43.8 in my decimal form. My negative numbers are negative 43.25 and negative 43.3. All right, least to greatest means I'm going to start with my negative numbers. I'm going to think about my number line, and since I have positive and negative, I'm going to put my 0 in the middle. And negatives go to the left, and I'm going to check out these two numbers I have. I have negative 43.25 and negative 43.3. So on my number line starting at 0 to the left, I'm going to graph negative 43.25 here. I'm skipping ones and all that. That would take too much space. And I'm going to graph negative 43.3 here. Okay. And then on my positive side, the numbers are going to start low and get big. Right next to my 0 would be 43. What would come first, the 1 or the 8? The 1. 43.18. And next would be 43.8 or 0.80. So now I get a visual on a number line. I can order them from least to greatest. So my answer would be, I'm going to put those back into their original form. Let's see, negative 43.3. That's done. The next negative is negative 43 and 1/4. That's done. Now on the positive side, 43.18. Done, and 43 and 4/5. Okay, so if you need to rewatch this lesson, go ahead and do it. Do what you need to help yourself. Try the next one, and then we'll talk about them. Thank you.